Hello everyone, if you just tuned in, please don't forget to subscribe, it will mean a lot to me. Hope you are all feeling this summer vibe. Today I will be sharing the top 16 best sellers Amazon's baby products. So to all mum and mum-to-be, I will showcase at a really fast-paced, a must-have this year 2022, 16 baby products in the baby product category as they will be handy when you will need them the most. They sell by the minute at a lower price, so if you are looking to buy some useful item in this category, here is the place to go. For each product you will have the current rate and number of reviews plus the actual price as we speak, and a complete listed links on both UK and US Amazon's online stores. The following are ranked from 1 to 8. Number 1. Water Wipes Baby Wipes 4x60 pack, 240 wipes, and Finish Quantum Infinity Shine 80 dishwasher tablets. It is rated at 4.8 out of 5 stars with a total review of 10,225. And it is priced from £6 to £64.15. Number 2. Amazon brand, Mama Bear Sensitive Unscented Baby Wipes, pack of 6, total 336 wipes. It is rated at 4.7 out of 5 stars with a total review of 23,239. And it is priced from £5.10 to £13.31. Number 3. Huggies Pure Baby Wipes, 12 packs, 672 wipes total, natural wet wipes for sensitive skin, 99% pure water, fragrance-free to clean and protect. It is rated at 4.7 out of 5 stars with a total review of 19,717. And it is priced from £6 to £38.93. Number 4. MAM Crosscut Teats, suitable for 6+ months, bottle teats with skin soft silicone, fits all MAM baby bottles, baby feeding essentials, pack of 2. It is rated at 4.8 out of 5 stars with a total review of 23,496. And it is priced from £4.74 to £12.90. Number 5. Tommy Tippy Twist and Click Advanced Nappy Bin Refill Cassettes, sustainably sourced antibacterial green film, pack of 3, packaging may vary. It is rated at 4.7 out of 5 stars with a total review of 15,463. And it is priced from £14.99 to £105.99. Number 6. Lansano HPA Lanolin Nipple Cream for sore nipple and cracked skin, 100% natural single ingredient, breastfeeding essential, tasteless, odorless, hospital bag, moisturizing, 3x7mm. It is rated at 4.8 out of 5 stars with a total review of 26,121. And it is priced from £5.75 to £26.93. Number 7. Johnson's Pure Cotton Buds, 200 buds. It is rated at 4.8 out of 5 stars with a total review of 16,091. 9 offers from 45p. Number 8. Lansano Laboratories Incorporated. UK disposable nursing breast with Blue Lock core pack of 6x24 pads 1 each. It is rated at 4.8 out of 5 stars with a total review of 17,493. The following are ranked from 9 to 16. Number 9. Child's Farm Kids 3-in-1 Swim, Strawberry and Organic Mint, Body Wash, Shampoo and Conditioner suitable for dry, sensitive and eczema-prone skin, 250ml. It is rated at 4.8 out of 5 stars with a total review of 9,141. And it is priced from £2.68 to £66. Number 10. Aveeno Baby Daily Care Moisturizing Lotion 250ml. It is rated at 4.8 out of 5 stars with a total review of 48. And it is priced from £3.99 to £15.99. Number 11. Tommy Tippy Sleep Time Portable Blackout Blind with Suction Cups, adjustable and lightweight, regular, 130 by 99cm. It is rated at 4.4 out of 5 stars with a total review of 1,995. And it is priced from £16.49 to £50.67. Number 12. MAM Easy Start Self-Sterilizing Anticolic Baby Bottle Pack of 3, 3x260mm, Anticolic Bottle with Medium Flow MAM Teat Size 2, Newborn Essentials, pink, designs may vary. It is rated at 4.8 out of 5 stars with a total review of 16,849. And it is priced from £11.25 to £26.77. Number 13. Bepanthen Nappy Care Ointment, Nappy Cream with Provitamin B5 that helps to protect from the causes of nappy rash and aids natural recovery of skin, suitable for newborn skin, 100g. It is rated at 4.8 out of 5 stars with a total review of 12,132. and it is priced from £5.50 to £22.53. Number 14. Metanium Nappy Rash Ointment. Treatment of nappy rash helps relieve irritation and redness, gentle on newborn skin, 30g. It is rated at 4.8 out of 5 stars with a total review of 8,804. And it is priced at £2. Number 15. Medela set of 180ml breast milk storage bags, pack of 25 BPA-free breast milk collection pouches with double zip, quick freeze, and 4. It is rated at 4.8 out of 5 stars with a total review of 11,514. And it is priced from £5.24 to £16.98. Number 16. MAM Night Soothers 0 to 6 months, pack of 2, glow-in-the-dark baby soothers with self-sterilizing travel case, newborn essentials, pink-white, designs may vary. It is rated at 4.8 out of 5 stars with a total review of 16,366. And it is priced from £4.58 to £10.98. You can access all these products by clicking the corresponding links in the description below. Thank you for watching, and remember, Amazon's products ranking changes every hour or two, due to rapid sales. To view in-depth review for each product, do visit the playlist of the product in the same category. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest trending products information and offers.